The camera opens inside a vast industrial complex where steel, light, and motion come together. This is not an ordinary factory. This is a modern train recycling and manufacturing facility, a place where the past of rail transport is carefully taken apart and transformed into the future of high-speed electric trains. Every sound you hear, every machine you see, plays a role in a process that combines engineering precision, sustainability, and advanced technology. The journey begins as an old passenger train slowly rolls into the factory on a dedicated track. This train may have served for 30 or 40 years, carrying millions of passengers across cities and countries. Its paint is faded, its technology outdated, but its core materials still hold immense value. Engineers and inspectors walk alongside it, scanning identification codes and reviewing digital records that contain the train's full operational history. Sensors check for structural fatigue, material composition, and any hazardous components that must be handled with care. Once approved, the train is moved into the disassembly zone. This is where the real transformation begins. Robotic arms and skilled technicians work side by side. First, all remaining fluids are safely drained, including oils, coolants, and hydraulic liquids. These are collected and sent for purification or environmentally safe disposal. Next, the interior is stripped down. Seats, panels, flooring, insulation, and wiring are removed piece by piece. Materials like plastics, fabrics, glass, and copper are sorted immediately, each sent to its own recycling stream. As the shell of the train becomes visible, attention shifts to its mechanical systems. Bogies, wheel sets, braking systems, and suspension units are detached using automated lifting platforms. Steel wheels that have worn down over decades are not wasted. They are sent to a metallurgical section where they will be melted and reformed. Electric motors are opened, their copper windings carefully extracted, while magnets and steel housings are separated for reuse. The factory now feels like a controlled demolition site, but every action is calculated. The train car body is cut into large sections using precision plasma cutters and robotic saws. Sparks fly, but behind the spectacle is a digital model guiding every cut to minimize waste. High-grade steel and aluminum alloys are separated based on composition. Modern scanners instantly analyze metal quality, ensuring that only suitable materials move forward into the next phase. These recovered metals are transported to the melting and refining area. Massive electric arc furnaces dominate this section of the factory. Unlike traditional furnaces, these use renewable electricity, dramatically reducing carbon emissions. Old steel melts down, glowing white-hot, while impurities rise to the surface and are removed. The molten metal is then refined to exact specifications, matching the strength and flexibility required for modern high-speed trains. Meanwhile, aluminum components are processed in parallel furnaces, as lightweight materials are essential for high-speed efficiency. The factory operates like a living system, where nothing stands still and nothing is wasted. Even heat generated during melting is captured and reused to power other parts of the facility. As recycled materials cool and solidify, they are cast into new forms. Steel becomes long beams, frames, and reinforcement structures. Aluminum is shaped into lightweight panels and aerodynamic shells. Each piece is labeled and tracked digitally, creating a transparent chain from old train to new high-speed vehicle. The story now shifts from recycling to creation. In the manufacturing hall, the skeleton of a new high-speed electric train begins to take shape. Robotic welding systems assemble the main body with extreme accuracy, measured in fractions of a millimeter. This precision is critical, as even small deviations can affect speed, safety, and energy efficiency at over 300 km/h. As the car body grows, engineers continuously scan it using laser measurement systems. Any imperfections are corrected instantly. The result is a smooth, strong, and lightweight structure designed to slice through air with minimal resistance. This is where recycled material proves its worth, reborn into something faster, cleaner, and smarter than before. Next comes the installation of advanced electrical systems. High-voltage cables, power converters, and control units are carefully integrated. Unlike older trains, this high-speed electric train relies on intelligent energy management. Regenerative braking systems will later allow it to recover energy during deceleration and feed it back into the grid or onboard batteries. Traction motors are mounted beneath the train, using materials once part of older machines. These motors are quieter, more powerful, and far more efficient. Engineers test each unit individually before installation, ensuring flawless performance under extreme conditions. Inside the train, the transformation is just as remarkable. The empty shell becomes a modern passenger environment. Lightweight composite floors are installed, followed by sound insulation made partly from recycled fibers. Walls and ceilings are fitted with sleek panels designed for safety, comfort, and easy maintenance. Seats arrive next, ergonomic and durable, often produced using recycled aluminum frames and sustainable fabrics. LED lighting systems are integrated into the ceiling, offering adaptive brightness that adjusts based on time of day and passenger comfort. Every detail is designed with both performance and passenger experience in mind. As the interior takes shape, the driver's cabin is assembled at the front. This is the brain of the train. Touchscreen control panels, digital displays, and advanced safety systems are installed. Modern high-speed trains rely heavily on automation, with real-time data flowing between onboard systems and central control centers. Now the train moves to the testing phase. Before it ever touches an open railway, it must prove itself inside the factory. Static tests begin first. Doors open and close thousands of times. Electrical systems are powered up and monitored. Climate control systems are tested under extreme temperature simulations. Next come dynamic tests. The train is placed on a test track within the facility or nearby. Engineers monitor acceleration, braking, vibration, and noise levels. Sensors placed throughout the train send live data, revealing how recycled materials perform under high stress. This is the moment where sustainability meets reality, and modern engineering confirms that recycled does not mean inferior. Once performance tests are complete, safety inspections follow. Fire resistance, crashworthiness, and emergency systems are all evaluated. Only when every requirement is met does the train receive certification for passenger service. The final stage is both symbolic and powerful. The completed high-speed electric train is cleaned, polished, and prepared for delivery. What once was an aging, outdated train is now a cutting-edge machine ready to redefine rail travel. The factory doors open, and the train slowly rolls out into daylight, reflecting the future in its sleek surface. This entire process represents more than manufacturing. It is a statement about how modern industry can evolve. Instead of discarding the past, it reuses it intelligently. Instead of polluting, it innovates. Every recycled bolt, every remelted panel, reduces the need for raw material extraction and lowers environmental impact. Inside this modern train recycling factory, sustainability and speed coexist. Old trains do not mark the end of a journey, but the beginning of a new one. From worn steel and outdated systems emerges a high-speed electric train that is faster, cleaner, and smarter. This is the full process, where engineering excellence transforms yesterday's railways into tomorrow's transportation, proving that the future of mobility can be built from the past.